Do you hate batteries? I know I do. Most days they make me want to just throw them away. Well, today we fix our battery problem. We got old micro USB cable, power brick rated at 5 volts, 1 amp, and a little step down transformer to take the voltage from 5 volts to 3.3. Just what we need for my little LED sign over there. So let's butcher some more cables and get this party started. So what I'm doing here is connecting my positive to my power pin on the board and then tying my grounds together from both the sign and the USB cable, then connecting my positive from the sign to the power out pin on this little board. Now we get to see if it works. Fingers crossed it does. If not, hopefully I just have to switch those two wires and it doesn't fry this. Alright, so it turns out I did have my wires crossed a bit, but now if I plug this into my power supply, boom, we have sign without battery, powered off of USB. That's a win in my books. So now I'm going to just clean this up and make sure it's a little bit safer, and then I'll show you the final result. And boom, just like that, rocking and rolling. No more batteries needed.